We're at the Las Vegas Premium Outlets because they got a Nike clearance store here. It's been a minute since I've been to a Nike clearance store. And look at this, what the hell? Oh, this is youth Kobe 3 Pro Halos for $60 for these. If your kiddo is into hoops, 60 freaking bucks. Are you serious? That is crazy. We got plenty of sizes, 7, 6.5, 6s. Then on this side, they got all kinds of women's running shoes. And we're talking about Vomero 18s for $70. For 70 effing dollars. Got multiple colorways. This one's 100 though. And then they got Pegasus Premium SEs right here, going for 100 freaking dollars. These retail for 220-ish, right? 220-ish. They got multiple size 9.5, size 10s. Different colorways as well, 100 bucks. This one as well. Then they got Vomero Pluses. These are size 9 women's, $80. And then they got this colorway right here. These are Vomero 18s for 70. That's crazy. And plenty of you guys have been telling me the clearance store in Santa Clarita's had deals like that, but I'm kind of not going there since they be tripping. Let's start with a size 10, 10.5s. And these are going for 60 right here. Jordan 2 3s, Jordan 4 RMs going for 80. Spiz Ike's going for 80. Another 2 3. I haven't even seen this color, the 2 3s. Right here going for 80. We got some 312 Lows right here, Chicago colorway right here, $60. More 4Ms right here, 70 and 70. Jordan 1 Low SE right here, $70. This is an all canvas one right here. Pretty interesting. They do got the Vaporfly Next Percents for 100. Do I need to grab these for 100 bucks? I did get a ticket on the way here to Vegas. My first speeding ticket in 4 years? First speeding ticket in 4 years. So I'm already, I don't know. I got clocked for a lot too. So I don't know. Should I be spending on sneakers? We're gonna hold off on that just in case. That's 100 bucks. I've been coming to Vegas for 25 years. I think it's the first time I've ever gotten a ticket on the way to Vegas. That's kind of my fault. Not because I was speeding, because I always speed, but I went the wrong way. I took a wrong route, and then I had to kind of backtrack and stuff, so it's kind of my fault. I went like a way I've never been, 58 through, I don't know, I almost went to Bakersfield. I'm stupid. But yeah, $80 for these right here. I know y'all gonna be like, hey, you're retarded. I know. That's the first time I've ever done that, dude. I don't know. I've been going to Kern, and I've been going to Kern and Bakersfield a lot, so I guess I just assumed I'm 80 bucks for these. I see this right here. This is in the wrong section, but look, $80 for these bad boys. Got tons of Vomeros in different colorways, all going for 80. Got Dunks going for 80 as well. Air Max 1s right here going for 70. These are 70. Gore-Tex right here, 70. Dunk SE's 80. Looks like all the running shoes over here. I see the Windflows, Revolutions, Pegasus, and then even the Vomeros, which are going for $100 in the men's sizes. Another colorway right here for 100. Pegasus Plus right here going for 80. Which ones are these? The Streak Flies go for 80. That's for middle distance. And they got all kinds of SB Dunks. These are going for, what are they going for? $90. That's the cheapest we've seen for these. And I think I'm in the size 10s. Yeah, size 10s. Got quite a few of those. Oh, this is the SB section. I forgot. They always categorize everything and make sure everything is all together. But yeah, they got SB Blazers right here, 50 bucks. They got Janowski's right here for 40. iShod. These are the iShod ones. iShod ones right there, going for 50. We're gonna knock out the 10s and then we'll move on to apparel real quick. Jordan highs right here. Not familiar with these. These like a scratch off or something? Not familiar with these at all. Yeah, they're 80 bucks. And then we got a lot of the, oh, that's a Trunner right there going for 50, but you got a lot of the 4 RMs right here. 2 3s and stuff that we saw earlier in the size 10.5. $60 for the one. Lows. golfs right here. These some good mid. Oh, these aren't golf. I thought these were golf. I don't know. But yeah, $80 for those. Got a few forces right here, 90. Colorful ones go for 80. Blue ones right here go for 80. Palm slides, $30. That might be the cheapest we've seen. The palm slides, 25. Here they try to put everything together. Like I said, there's the Air Max DN8s. Looks like most of the DN8s are going for $100. They got the Laker Uptempo, Air Max Uptempo, 70. That's the cheapest we've seen those anywhere. Dunks go for 80. Rejuvenate slides, 35. Is that the cheapest we've seen those? Curious to see how much these are going for. These are size 10, $50. I think that's right about what I paid for mine. I got full box though. But if you're gonna wear them, who cares if you have full box? $80. It looks like a lot of this is just the casual section right here. Back to the running section. This is size 10 though. Got Zoom Flies, $80. That is such a crazy good price for these bad boys, and they have them in multiple colors right here. But I think I'm gonna chill on those until I pay for my ticket and stuff. I wanna make sure I don't put anything on credit cards and stuff like that. But that is a size 10, 10 and a half. All right, let's break things up. Let's check out some of the apparel. Nike clearance stores have always been the best for apparel, especially for off-season stuff. This is kind of in season right now though. But you got some Tech Pack pants right here, $50. Look at this, more than 50 off. There aren't any additional discounts, but these are heavily discounted already. Got some, let's see, Carpenter pants. It looks like Carpenter jeans, Carpenter denim. They're going for $50, normally $140. Got some thin sweats right here, $40. Sherpa pants right here, they're going for $60. Let's check out some of the ACG jackets right here. I don't know about the color though. The color, that's why they go for $80. Normally $215. Two-tone right here for $40. That one was hella thin though. $60 for this Jordan brand red jacket. If you want to make sure you don't get run over, $100 for this one. It's $275 normally. It's like a raincoat. It's a freaking raincoat. It's storm fit. What the hell? That's crazy. Sherpa jacket right here. This is a large, and it is really bright blue, and it does not have, yeah, it doesn't have a price tag on it. We got some jerseys over on this rack. Got SC jerseys, $50. Who's number 80? And got number 1 for UCLA, $50. Got some Curry jerseys right here, $50, double XL. They also got these in XL. And they have all these jerseys right here. I don't know. Is this LeBron? Is this the LeBron jersey? I don't know. Nah, never mind. I thought that was the LeBron logo. Never mind. Yeah, they got a couple extra jerseys right here. Chet jersey right here, $50. Then more UCLA, more Chets. All right, let's knock out the rest of the aisles. In the men's section, got some KD 70, Pure Money colorway here, 70. We are in the size 11s. Got some Janowski Nike by Use. By Constance, $60. Being all hella nosy, trying to check names. Pegasus Plus, 80. Dunk High. These are retros right here. Yeah, 60. Regular Dunks. Next door, 80. Seen quite a few Rejuvenates. I'll go for 35. Forces right here, go for 80. All black ones for 80. That's pretty freaking good, dude. That's a really good price. Rarely ever see those on sale. Seen a lot of Vomeros, $100 for Vomeros. If you like the Vomeros, those are the 18s. Pegasus Plus right here, go for 80. And then all kinds of LeBrons, next gens and stuff, 80, 60 for this one. GT Hustle 3s, go for $100. Moving on to the 12s, so you got some Vaporfly Next Percent, $100. Dude, seen a lot of these Forces. We rarely ever see just white and black Air Forces on sale like that. $80 is definitely a steal. But seeing a lot of the same stuff. Prices are pretty freaking good though. Prices are good. Like Vaporfly Next Percent, another one for $100. Multiple colorways. And then Dunks, Vomeros. This one's $130. That one's kind of a little pricey. And then these spots used to have a ton of size 13, 14s. 13s right there, 14s right there. That's it. That's it. That's crazy. We're not gonna go too deep into it because look, same stuff. Vomeros going for 80. They got these still. Street flies right here. Running shoes. They got the vapor flies over there. 100 dunks. Same stuff we've seen in pretty much every size. They also got the blazers right here we saw earlier. And then all kinds of Vaporfly next percents down here. They're all going for 100. These are size 14, 13s right here. Got some Spizikes right here going for 80 bucks. Some Air Max DNs 100, but not too much different stuff, to be honest. Let's knock out size 9 and 8s. They finally got something different. The Union General Purpose shoes right here. This is the Union collab. See the Union LA logo right there. Definitely interesting. $60. Got quite a few of those in the size 9. And then Forces, $60, $50 depending on the colorway. Someone leaving the energy drink, that's pretty gross. Jordan section, seeing a lot of the same stuff. 2, 3s go for $80. This one's going for $60. Even the colorways are almost the same. This one's new. This one's new. AJKOs right here. These are the Jordan highs that are a little different. They use like different materials and stuff too. You know what they go for? They go for $70. Got book ones right here, go for $60. And then for running shoes, nothing in the size 9. I'll have to check the women's 10.5s. Size 9 probably moves quicker than most of the other sizes. Size 8 kind of looks very similar. 90 for the SB Dunks right there. Got a few of those. Plenty of KDs right here, including this colorway I've never seen. Sunset colorway, go for 70 bucks. All the Jordan 4 RMs right there, as well as I think I see some of the 2 3s. Got the Union General Purpose in the size 8. Vomeros, got those. We've seen those, 130. I think size 8 looking very similar to the size 9s. Also got the Vaporfly Next Percent 4s. Multiple colorways, 100 bucks. But I think that's about it. Raider fans rejoice. They got Raiders gear here. They do have the home team. Good stuff. Look at this. Is this Wallen? Oh, Brown. Is this old school Tim Brown? Old school Tim Brown, $60. Old school Tim Brown jersey for 60 bucks. This is a large. Then who's 32? I don't know. Is that a Marcus Allen? Is that Marcus Allen from way back when? Holy crap, that is fire to have a bunch of jerseys for 60 effing dollars. I'd definitely grab each one of these if I was a Raider fan. $48 for these right here. Long sleeve shirts, 20 bucks. Sweatshirts going for 50. $15 for these t-shirts. Oh, that's definitely worth it. 15 bucks. If y'all are Raider fans. 15 for the gray ones too. Got small, medium, and then got larges and smalls for the black ones. A couple like older Asian dudes looking at Raiders gear. I was like, I don't think I've ever seen older Asian dudes wearing Raiders gear. I don't know why that looks so funny to me. Raider fan base getting some new fans, I guess. Got sweatpants right here going for 40. Got all kinds of shorts, $25 basketball shorts. Got fleece shorts, running shorts, all kinds of shorts. I got fleece ones right here for 20. A lot of shorts. I think a lot of these are fleece and running shorts for 20. T-shirts go for 10 bucks. All kinds of graphic tees and some super bright colors. Do got some random gear here. These are the ones that you wear around your shoulders. I kind of like the one that I have. I want to get one for my kiddo because yeah, I'm not paying $50 for them. The retail for the one I got was 50 bucks. I think I paid like $13, $14. So I'm gonna try to find one like this. This one's too small for 15 though. What is this one? What the hell? What the hell is this? Is this like for swim gear? I think this is for, yeah, Nike Swim right here. 15. They got some random batting gloves, youth batting gloves. It says 30. They go for 30? Got like some pouches and stuff. They got smaller ones of these. Dang it. I don't see any of the bigger ones. Bastards. They got some shin guards, like super random. It's like one. Are these shin guards? The hell are these? Yeah, I think so. $7. $7 for those. Normally 14. Damn, I'm looking at the random stuff over there. Dang it. All right, let's move over to the women's section. Size 10 and above, just this little area right here. Size 10.5 for my kiddo, which is a size 9 men's. Oh, this is a men's. What the hell? Look at this. Look at this. Size 10s right here. $100. $100 for these bad boys right here. This is a canvas Jordan 3. I see a bunch of size 10 women's. Not bad. I'm tripping out because they're 10.5 and above. It's just right here. That's it. There's really not much. They got these in the size 10 for 100 as well. And look at this. They got Jordan 1s. Oh, I thought these were all white. No, they got a little hint of red on them. $80. But yeah, size 10 and below for women's, they got plenty. All right, let's check the size 9. 9's a more common size for women, right? For all 3 women that watch my videos. $100 for these is freaking so good. The Pegasus Premiums. Got the Vomero 18s, 100. And we're seeing a lot of them in the women's section. This is a plus right here. Yeah, Vomero Plus, $80. Such a good price. I got Air Max DNs right here. These are going for 80 and they have a ton of duplicates. Oh, we saw this earlier over there. $100 for the premiums. Look, some of them are even cheaper. 70. Did we see this one? $70 for Vomero 18s. Got hoop shoes for women. Well, these ain't hoop shoes. Flight courts, 8.5. $50. These right here, the ones I was looking at, $80. Oh, got Jordan OGs right here, going for 80. Trunners. I feel like these just came out. They got those for 60. Got all kinds of the 3s right here, $100. Moving over to the 8s right here, $80. 80 for the shot. Oh, I thought these were shocks. We already saw those. Weird shocks right here. Shocks Z's right here go for 60. TLs right here go for 100. I like the way these look. Jordan 1 OGs right here. These are grade school, obviously, because they didn't make these. Oh, these are a men's 7. Men's 7. They threw them here in the 8.5 section, which is an 8.5 women's. So yeah, $80. Air Max 95's 100. Another shock. They have a lot of shocks here. What the hell? $80. This is suede. That one's pretty dope. These Air Max Muse, which are weird as hell. They got them in multiple colorways. They got DNs. I really like that color. This one right here, the kind of like Volt in green, $100. They got red ones, $100. Zagama Trails. This is their premier running shoe. I think this is their racing trail running shoe. I think $80. And they got these as well, like $100. I think I covered as much as I can here. All right, got plenty coming. You guys got plenty coming. That's crazy. That's just crazy. The grade school Protros for 60. That's just crazy. In Las Vegas. Look at this. Look at this. This is what we need in California. Come on now, man. That's what we need. To-go cup in Vegas? What the fuck? What? Oh shit, that's an awful one. But what the hell? I could get a to-go cup at a bar? This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh damn, that's a lot of heck. Nike clearance store out in Vegas. You won't believe the deal. Look at this. Look at this. $60 for grade school Kobe Protro 3s right here. These are freaking crazy for $60. They got 6.5 and 7s. They got premium running shoes as well for women and men. $100 for these Pegasus Premiums. Then I see all kinds of Vomero Pluses, as well as Vomeros in multiple colorways for 100. Got some for 80. Got some for 70 right here, look. And at this location, you're gonna find SB Dunks. Look at that price, $90. And they have some decent variety prices. Pretty freaking good. They got these bad boys right here for 70. And of course, I got a full video on the Cool Kids YouTube channel. So stay tuned, you guys.